Hello and welcome back to drawerboxes.co.uk. With your drawer box assembled, you are now ready for the next stage, which is to mark out and fit the drawer runners. In the pack with your internal drawer is a pre-drilled packer. This goes on the hinge side of your unit and allows the drawers to clear the hinges without any problem. For the internal Tandembox shallow or deep drawers, the drawer can be fitted anywhere inside the unit as long as the packer misses the hinge. These guidelines for internal tandem box drawers should help you to decide on the positioning of your drawers. You will see from the image on the screen that the bottom of the packer and runner line up exactly with the bottom of the drawer. This applies to the shallow and deep drawer, so when deciding on the position of either, you work from the bottom up. The packer and runner are placed 5mm back from the front edge of the unit. Using these guidelines, decide on the box position, then mark inside the unit. This will mark the bottom of the packer and runner and also the drawer when it's fitted. Line up the bottom of the packer to this mark, remembering to hold the packer 5mm back from the front edge of the unit. Holding in this position, put in the front screw only. Tighten the screw so the packer stays up in position. To ensure the packer is completely level, check the measurement front and back and adjust until it is exactly the same. Then you can put the other two long screws in to secure the packer. With the packer in position, you can now fit the runner. Simply hold the runner up flush to the front and bottom of the packer and mark the front hole only. Use your screw gun and a screw to start this hole off. Don't go in all the way, just enough to guide the screw into position. Now hold the runner in place and put the front screw in. Line up the runner so it is flush with the packer along the full length, then put in the other 3 screws. With the packer and runner fitted, you need to transfer the exact runner height over to the other side. Measure from the bottom of your base unit up to the top of the runner. Go over to the other side and mark this on the front of the unit. Using a set square, draw a level line from this mark inside the unit. Next, you can put a second line 5mm from the front. Hold the runner up to this 5mm mark, ensuring that the long line runs along the top of the runner, then mark the front hole only. Now, just repeat the steps you used to fit the other runner, but use the long line along the top of the runner as a guide. With the runners installed, you can now fit the drawer box. Hold the drawer box about 25% of the way into the unit, then push it downwards and in till it locates in the runners. And that's the installation complete. Finally, there is an easy shortcut for fitting the bottom tandem box drawer. You simply lay the packer straight onto the bottom of the unit and screw it on. The same applies to both runners. Just put them on the base and screw them into position. Remember to set them back 5mm from the front. Thanks for watching, and please get in touch for any further information.